Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Manat Makeovers. Today I'm gonna give you a quick makeup tutorial. So we'll first start with primer face with the help of Inside Primer 3-in-1. I burned my skin while doing my hair yesterday. Move to the next step, which is correcting. This corrector palette is from Nykaa, so it is very important for you all guys to know which color corrector to use. So orange red tinted concealer is used to cover up the dark circles and the dark spots, where the green tinted concealer is to reduce the redness, like if you have the pimple or acne. Next, we will apply foundation with the help of this beauty blender. This foundation is from L'Oreal Paris True Match and the beauty blender is from Nykaa. Oops. Mistakes happens, you must go on. So blend the foundation properly all over your face and neck. Make sure your foundation matches your skin tone. We'll move to concealer. This is from LA Girl Pro Concealer. Use a concealer like 1-2 shade lighter than your natural skin tone. Apply the concealer under your eyes and the forehead in the shape of an upside down triangle. A straight line on the bridge of the nose, also under the cheekbones. And if you have any dark spots or scars, dab your concealer onto the top of each mark. Make sure you do not rub the concealer under your eyes. I will also use HD1 concealer from the Maybelline for the extra brightness. Like, it's up to you if you want to use extra concealer, otherwise one concealer is enough. Now my favorite section, contouring. I'm using this foundation stick from Nykaa for the contour. Contouring is a trick to enhance the natural structure of your face by highlighting the tops of your cheekbones or the bridge of your nose to make your nose look more smaller, or on forehead, under your lower lip for the perfect pout, also under your jawline if you have like double chin. Now baking, not actually baking, I mean face baking with this Fitme Baking powder from Maybelline. Baking is basically to set the moisture of the skin, especially under the eye and between the jawline and the cheekbone. Now we'll start with the eye section. For this, first we need to make the base with the help of concealer and set it with the powder. Now the eyebrows. Oh, it's done. We will start making crease with the help of this brush. The eye shade is something peachy or reddish according to my dress. So to give it a glamour, we will add shimmer from this highlighter palette from Swiss Beauty. Also, I suggest use index finger to apply the shimmer. Now we will add mascara to our lashes. This is from Maybelline Colossal. Also, your eyes won't look glamorous until you will add lashes. So next, the blush section. For blush, I always prefer 2 shades. Like, I mix peach and pink. Now we give a little bit shine to our face with the help of the same highlighter palette from Swiss Beauty. You apply highlighter to the high points of your face to get a little bit of glow on your skin. You apply it on the top of your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, and a little bit on your chin. We also add highlighter near the tear duct and under the brow bone. We will also add silver eye pencil. This is shade Moonchild from Nykaa. Now the lip section. This lip shade is from Nykaa, So Matte. Okay, makeup is done, but the hair is not going well with the makeup, so here I hope you guys like the video. Also, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, like the video, also share this video with your friends. Eid Mubarak to you all. See you next time. Bye bye.